I think we've been asking them a lot of questions about what they do in their academies, their best practices, a lot of things that we can learn and hopefully take back to the U.S. and maybe in some ways reconfirm some of the things that we're doing. So Stuart was great to give us a lot of insight on how they run their whole academy and what their objectives are.
Over the course of the week, we've been lucky enough to learn about the academy structure within the UK, the evolution of the game, sort of trends of the do's and the don'ts within academies, and kind of see the differences between best in class throughout the professional levels of the game.
It's been great. Everybody's here for a similar reason. They want to learn and they want to, they want to communicate with each other and find out not only from our group how we can learn and do better things, but then, I mean, the people we've talked to have been amazing. I mean, their expertise is evident from the moment they start speaking to us, and it's been great. It's really insightful for us.
Throughout the week, we've had presenters from multiple clubs and academies, which has been a huge benefit rather than just kind of hearing the ideas from one club. And then also the interaction of coaches from around the US has been valuable, as well as we share ideas on how things work over here and what we can implement back in the US within our own clubs.
Yeah, so we, as Dan mentioned, second year of the club leadership trip in partnership with Inspiresport, and we created the event as a way to provide experiences for leaders in clubs that was outside of necessarily what goes on in the day-to-day inside the white lines and on the field and the X's and O's and tactics, but the opportunity to engage with other club leaders and learn and take best practices from top clubs in youth development here in the UK.
The club leadership program was an idea that we had that was around being able to educate senior leaders in clubs in the US to be able to give them access to the modern trends of the game. We believe strongly that there's a significant amount of best practice in the UK system that allows senior leaders to lead their staff, develop their staff, and create programs that support the development of their players and educate their parents. The principles of the week are exposing them to those best practice environments, exposing them to the people that have done these jobs for years and built these programs, but making it relevant to the US system so that when they go back after the course completes, they have a significant amount of material, insight, collaboration, and maybe some innovative ideas about how they can adapt their programs to what we've tried to teach them this week.